Cainta is a fast-growing area, perfect for both living and investment. Malapit siya sa Pasig, sa Marikina at sa QC. Naghahanap ka ba ng property na house and lot na maraming space for your family events? Check natin tong house na to. This is Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing. Welcome to another house tour. So nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng house and you will see that the design is modern minimalist, Japanese inspired. Elevated yung bahay with 3-story and 120 square meter ng lot area na merong 175 square meter of floor area. So nandito tayo ngayon sa area ng gate, okay, that you can see na kaya mag-park ng 2 cars. Tara, pasok tayo ngayon sa bahay. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa main door. Papansin nyo, it's made of solid wood. Nagbibigay siya ng premium looks dito sa bahay natin. Ayan. Pagpasok mo naman, from here, ang mag-welcome sa'yo is sobrang laking space nung living area. So yung first na mafe-feel mo pagpasok din is yung natural flow ng hangin. Because of the large window dito, ganda ng pasok ng hangin. At the same time, yung ang dami ng natural light sa umaga. Pag sa gabi naman, di ka rin mabibitin because ang dami nating lights dito and meron din tayong parang accent light na nagbibigay ng ang elegant na dating, especially nga sa gabi. Ayan. So punta naman tayo dito ngayon sa part na to. Dito yung living dining area with our kitchen island na movable. So, since malaki pa yung space natin and empty pa siya, you can really choose kung ano yung gusto mong mga sofa or mga dining table. And since movable tong kitchen island natin, you can customize it kung ano yung gusto mong pwesto niya or looks niya. So, yung kitchen island and our kitchen, paired well siya kasi pareho yung finishing niya. We have a lot of storage sa ilalim, cabinets. We have provision for our range hood and stove. Under-mounted na rin yung sink natin. And dito naman nakapwesto yung ating refrigerator. Yan. So, lakad tayo onte. Itong part na to, nag-a-add din siya sa natural light ng bahay and very good ventilation. Kasi from the front ng house, going here, mafe-feel niya talaga na tuloy-tuloy yung flow ng hangin kasi open din yung ceiling natin. Yan. So paglabas natin, what you will see is our laundry area and our dirty kitchen as the typical setup ng Filipino household. Meron tayong ditong kitchen at saka of course yung mas makalat na part ng lutuan, ng mga preparation, gagawin natin siya sa labas. So from here, punta na tayo ng onti sa right, we have a maid's quarter, or if wala naman tayong maid, we can use this as our guest room. Kasi though very minimal lang yung space, but you can really fit in a TV, a small bed na pwede talagang gamitin for our visitors. Tapos, dito sa place na to, sa part naman na to, we have our toilet and bath. Okay. So, di na i-explain to kasi talagang welcoming siya for our guest. So, itong small door na to, dito yung room ni Harry Potter, no? Ito yung lalagyan natin. Kasi syempre, di ba guys, pagka marami tayong pang cleaning materials, yung mga gamit natin, ayaw natin na nasa labas yun kasi nagdadagdag siya ng parang kalat, di ba? Because of our ample storage space, pwede natin siya lagay dito to keep our main area neat. Yan. So, dito naman tayo ngayon sa stairs. Okay. Bago tayo umakyat sa second floor, you will see yung stairs natin. It's made of, again, wooden steps, tapos color brown yung railings natin. Nag-work well, nagbe-blend well, no, yung wooden steps. And of course, yung di ko na nabanggit, yung mga doors natin, main door natin, talagang nag-blend sila together to give that very warm feel sa bahay. Sige, akit na tayo guys. So we are here on the second floor. At you will notice na sa buong floor, yung wooden accent nung sa sahig, and paired siya with our darker wood dito sa ceiling natin. Diba? So this part of the second floor, quite spacious because somehow we can still put furnitures or use this as another living area. So dito, this door will lead you sa ating toilet and bath. Okay? Meron na siya lahat, sink and shower. Ayan. And then, punta tayo muna dito sa dalawa nating bedrooms. Okay, so our first bedroom here. Ayan. So, first bedroom, we have our, cabinets, our clothes. May window tayo. And for both rooms, guys, mapapansin nyo, meron na structure kasi. So, very not probable na matakpan pa yung view natin dito kasi gawa na yung bahay, guys, eh. Ayan, mababa yung chance na matakpan pa yung view. So, punta tayo dito sa second room. Sa second room naman, it's almost identical dun sa kaninang room natin because meron tayong window and cabinets. And of course, may mga provision ng mga saksakan natin. Tapos, punta na tayo ngayon sa master's bedroom. Yan. As usual, our master's bedroom is bigger and isa sa magandang feature niya is meron tayong sliding door for very good ventilation and natural light, and meron siyang balcony. Ayan. Laki-laki din yung balcony niya, guys. Pwede niyo pa lagyan ng coffee table pag gusto mong mag-relax outside. Tapos, dito, mapansin niyo walang cabinet. It's because meron siyang walk-in closet na connected sa sarili niyang toilet and bath dito sa side na to. Yan. So, punta na tayo ngayon sa third floor. So, nandito na tayo sa third floor. Pagbukas mo ng door is our roof deck. Yan. So, sa roof deck natin, of course, iba tayong mga Filipinos, ang hilig natin sa mga gathering. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito sa roof deck. Pwede kang magpa-barbecue party, syempre inuman, di mawawala yan. For the kids naman, pwede tayong maglagay ng yung pool, swimming pool, para mapag-swim sila dito. Dami pa, di ba? And meron na tayong mga ilaw, no? Just in case sa gabi, meron tayong enough light na may accent pa. So at the same time, guys, is isa sa mapapansin nyo is the view. Yung in a way, view around. Makikita niyo very open, and ngayon lang tanghaling tapat kaya medyo mainit. Pero very presko paghapon dito na may mga view. Actually, pag nandito kayo, guys, maririnig niyo pa yung mga chirp ng mga birds, ganyan. Ang calm, ang peaceful ng vibe. If naman na gusto mo pa madagdagan yung rooms ng bahay mo, pwede mo pa itong ipa-customize. Lagyan mo ng ceiling, gawan mo ng another room, naka-ready siya. So, ang dami ng space, ang luwag dito, and you really can customize it the way you want it. So, the property is located in Vista Verde, a gated community, and the units that we have two available. So, yung first unit is 100 square meter lot area, 175 floor area. Yung another unit is 120 square meters lot area and 210 floor area. So, both have 3 bedrooms, a maid's quarter, a roof deck, and a carport that can fit 2 cars. The good thing is the owner is open for flexible terms and open din siya for bank financing. Again, this is Ryan Angeles of Triar Property Marketing. Be 3 steps ahead, invest in the next. Thanks!
Thanks guys for watching! Are you interested in this home or want your listing featured? Message Triar Property Marketing today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tours.